Because you've refreshed it 3 times, right? And the latest is just absolutely outstanding. And you know, got it set to such a quality. Drive this car and the horsepower. Acknowledges our friend. Alan, will come down the 57 Chevy Bel Air that Eddie brought out here, and we really appreciate you coming out here to do the Virginia Auto Show and sharing it with everybody. And I believe it's going to be a great weekend for you.
All right, you guys got it. We're down here all weekend long. Come by and see us, man. It's a beautiful 57 Chevy Bel Air. We got some fantastic vehicles out here. Thanks again to Tom Cox and also all of our Neptune Trider business down here. Competing for cash and prizes this weekend. We'll see you real soon, guys. Thanks so much. Tommy, put the music back on. Don't turn it up so doggone loud. I'm trying to talk to people out here.
Awesome.